Welcome back to the course. This is episode 3, and this one is really important because here's the truth. A lot of sellers get their TikTok shop accounts set up. They list a few products and then nothing happens. No views, no clicks, no sales. And they assume TikTok shop just doesn't work for them. But most of the time, the problem isn't the platform. The problem is the listing. Your product listing is your digital storefront. It's the first thing a potential customer sees when they tap on your product, and it either builds enough trust and excitement for them to hit add to cart, or it doesn't. In this video, we're going to make sure yours does. We're covering 5 key areas today. How to properly list a product on TikTok Shop. How to price your products to actually win sales. How to optimize your listings for search and discovery. How to stay compliant with TikTok's product policies. And how to manage your inventory so you never lose a sale to an out-of-stock situation. If you haven't watched episodes 1 and 2 yet, click the I button on your screen and start from the beginning. This course builds on itself. Otherwise, let's get into it. Listing your first product is the moment your shop actually becomes a shop. Until you have a live product, nothing else matters. So let's walk through exactly how to do it right. Inside your Seller Center dashboard, go to Products and click Add Product. This is where you'll fill in all the details for your listing. There are a few fields that are non-negotiable. TikTok won't even let you publish without them. Product name, your title, category, which product type it falls under, price, what you're charging, stock quantity, how many units you have available, and at least one product image. We'll talk about images in detail in a moment. These are the basics, but just filling in the minimum won't get you far. What separates a listing that sells from one that gets ignored is the quality of what you put in each of these fields. So let's go through the most important ones. Your product title is doing 2 jobs at the same time. Job 1, it tells the customer exactly what they're looking at. Job 2, it tells TikTok's algorithm where to show your product in search results and recommendation feeds. If your title fails at either of those jobs, your listing is invisible. Here's the format TikTok recommends for titles: brand plus product plus application plus type plus key features. Let me give you a real example. Instead of writing something vague like face cream, you'd write CeraVe, moisturizing face cream, daily hydration for dry and sensitive skin, 50 milliliters. See the difference? The second title tells the customer exactly what it is, who it's for, and what makes it worth buying. And it's packed with keywords that someone might actually search for: moisturizing face cream, dry skin, daily hydration. Here's where you enter the title. You'll notice there's a character limit, so be strategic. Put your most important keywords towards the front of the title, because that's what shows up in truncated previews on mobile. A good rule of thumb: write your title for a human first, then check that it includes the keywords a customer would actually type into a search bar. TikTok is an extremely visual platform. People are scrolling fast, and your product image has maybe half a second to make someone stop and look. So this is not the place to cut corners. Here's what TikTok recommends, and what the top sellers consistently do. Use high-resolution images with a clean, simple background. White or neutral backgrounds keep the focus on the product itself. Cluttered or dark backgrounds make your listing look cheap, even if the product is great. Upload multiple images from different angles. Don't just show the front. Show the back, the sides, the packaging. Give the customer a complete picture of what they're getting. Include close-up shots that highlight key features. If there's something special about your product, a texture, a design detail, a specific component to use, show it up close. Don't make the customer guess. And whenever possible, show the product being used in real life. A lifestyle image showing a real person using or wearing the product builds far more emotional connection than a product on a plain background alone. Here's the image upload area. You can see it lets you add multiple images. Use all the slots available. More images means more information for the customer, and more information means more confidence to buy. Think about it from the buyer's perspective. When you're shopping online and you can't physically touch or try the product, images are everything. They either make you feel confident in the purchase or they make you hesitate and move on. Pricing is one of those things that sounds simple, but is actually one of the most strategic decisions you make as a seller. And on TikTok Shop, there are a few specific principles that consistently work. Let me break them down. Strategy 1. Let data drive your pricing. Go into your TikTok Shop analytics and look at what's already selling well. What price points are driving the most GMV, which is gross merchandise value, meaning total sales volume. Then benchmark your prices against what similar products are selling for on TikTok Shop. If you're way above the market rate without a clear reason, customers will scroll past you. Here's where you find your analytics in Seller Center. You can see your top performing products, track sales over time, and get a clear picture of what price points are converting. Use this before you set or change any price. Strategy 2. Price based on perceived value, not just cost. A lot of new sellers make the mistake of just calculating their costs and adding a margin. That's a starting point, but it's not a complete strategy. Perceived value is what the customer thinks your product is worth, and you can influence that through how you present it. Strong images, a compelling description, social proof from reviews, all of these make your product feel worth more. And a great way to increase perceived value is through bundles. Instead of selling a single item, package 2 complementary products together and offer them at a slight discount. The customer feels like they're getting a deal, and you increase the average order value of each purchase. Strategy 3. Use promotions strategically. TikTok Shop has built-in promotional tools, and the sellers who use them well consistently outperform those who don't. Here are 3 types that work especially well. Product bundles. Pair complementary items together. Think cleanser and moisturizer, or a phone case and a screen protector. Volume discounts. Offer a deal when customers buy more than 1 unit. Something like buy 3, get 20% off, pushes people from buying 1 to buying multiple. Limited time flash sales. These create urgency. A customer who was on the fence about buying suddenly has a reason to buy now before the deal disappears. All of these promotional tools live in the marketing section of your Seller Center. It's genuinely straightforward to set up. You pick the promotion type, set your discount, choose your duration, and activate it. One important tip on timing: launch your promotions when traffic is highest. That means during holidays, around major shopping events, or when a video of yours is picking up viral momentum. A promotion that nobody sees is a wasted promotion. And pair your promotions with creator content whenever you can. When a creator is making content featuring your product at the same time you're running a flash sale, that combination is extremely powerful. Here's something that a lot of TikTok sellers don't realize. TikTok is not just a social media platform anymore. It's a search engine. More and more people, especially younger consumers, are going directly to TikTok's search bar to find products, reviews, and recommendations. Which means if your listing isn't optimized for search, you're missing a massive source of organic traffic. And the numbers back this up. According to TikTok's own data, 82% of customers discover new brands on TikTok Shop. That discovery happens through search, through recommendation feeds, and through content. Your job is to make sure your listings show up in all 3. So how do you do it? It comes down to SEO, search engine optimization, applied to your product listings. Step 1. Use relevant keywords in your title. We already covered this, but it's worth repeating because it's that important. Find the words and phrases that your target customers are actually searching for and make sure they appear naturally in your title. Step 2. Write a strong product description. Your description is where you expand on the title. Use it to highlight the key benefits of your product, not just the features. Customers don't just want to know what the product is, they want to know what it does for them. Keep it concise and mobile-friendly. Most TikTok users are on their phones, so long, dense paragraphs are a bad idea. Use short sentences. Address the most common questions a customer might have before they even have to ask. Step 3. Use TikTok's listing quality tools. Inside Seller Center, there's a feature called Improve Listing Quality. This tool analyzes your existing listings and gives you specific suggestions on what to fix, whether that's your title, your images, your description, or your keywords. Think of it like a built-in coach for your listings. Run every product through this tool before you consider a listing complete. And here's the mindset shift I want you to make. Think of TikTok as a search engine, not just a social media platform. The more clearly and specifically your listing describes your product with the right keywords in the right places, the easier it is for TikTok to match your product to the right shopper at the right time. This section is quick but really important, so don't skip it. TikTok Shop has strict product policies in place to keep the platform safe and trustworthy for shoppers. If you violate these policies, even accidentally, your listing gets removed, and repeat violations can get your entire shop suspended. There are 3 policy documents you need to be familiar with. 1. The Prohibited Products Policy. This is the list of things you simply cannot sell on TikTok Shop. We touched on this in episode 2, things like tobacco, alcohol, weapons, counterfeit goods. Before you list anything, confirm it's not on this list. 2. The Restricted Products Policy. Some products aren't banned outright, but they require special approval before you can list them. Things like certain health supplements or products with specific regulatory requirements. If your product falls into a restricted category, you need to get approved first. Don't just list it and hope for the best. 3. Intellectual Property Rights Guidelines. You cannot sell products that infringe on someone else's trademark, copyright, or patent. This includes knockoffs and replicas. Not only will TikTok remove your listing, but you could face legal consequences from the brand being infringed upon. Before you finalize any product to sell, open up the Seller Center help documentation and run it against these 3 policy areas. It takes 10 minutes and it could save your shop. The last section, and honestly one that sellers often overlook until it bites them. Running out of stock on a popular product is one of the most frustrating things that can happen to a TikTok Shop seller. You've got momentum, a video is performing, people are clicking, and then customers see out of stock and your sale is gone. Worse, TikTok's algorithm notices when your products go out of stock, and it affects your shop's overall performance score. So let's talk about how to stay on top of your inventory. Your inventory home base is the Stock Dashboard, found under Products Arrow Manage Stock in Seller Center. Here you can see all your products, their current stock levels, and which ones are flagged as low or out of stock. 3 things you want to be doing consistently. Monitor your stock levels regularly. Don't wait until something sells out. Check the dashboard frequently and set low stock alerts so you get a warning before you run out, not after. Forecast demand using your sales data. Look at recent sales velocity, how quickly each product is selling, and use that to estimate when you'll need to reorder. If a product is selling 10 units a day and you have 50 in stock, you've got about 5 days before you're out. Order before that. Restock before shortages happen, not after. Factor in your supplier's lead time. If it takes your supplier 2 weeks to fulfill a restock order, don't wait until you have 1 week of stock left. Now, on the order side, once sales start coming in, you need to handle fulfillment quickly. Here's your order management area. The To Ship tab shows you all orders that have been placed and are waiting to be sent out. This is the tab you should be checking every single day. When you're packing orders, a few things matter a lot. Pack everything securely. Use protective materials and the right size box or mailer. Damaged deliveries hurt your reviews and your returns rate. Make sure the correct shipping label is attached. It sounds obvious, but mix-ups happen and they're costly. Ship within your stated handling time and update the tracking information as soon as you do. TikTok tracks your dispatch speed, and sellers who ship fast consistently get better placement and performance scores on the platform. And that is everything you need to know about listing and managing products on TikTok Shop. This stuff is the foundation of a high-performing shop. Get these basics right, and everything else, your content, your creator partnerships, your live streams, becomes so much more effective because it's pointing people to listings that actually convert. In the next video, we're going to show you how to connect your Amazon inventory directly with TikTok Shop so you can manage fulfillment from one place and never worry about overselling or shipping delays across both platforms. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Drop any questions in the comments. I read all of them. See you in episode 4.